Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you something a little bit different than what I normally do. This is how to edit TikToks and Shorts using DaVinci Resolve. So the first thing we're going to want to do here is go to Edit, click Control and N at the same time, and then you should have an option called Use Project Settings. Check that off. Click on Format at the top, then it says Use Vertical Resolution. You're going to want to click that on. Click Create. Then you'll have your phone resolution or your vertical resolution here. What you're going to want to do is click on Media, go to a clip that, whatever you want to use. For today, we're just going to use one of these squad clips that I've already done. And we're going to want to take it into the timeline here. And you're going to have these two blank spaces, black bars here. What you're going to want to do is just zoom in until that is gone. And then if you don't want this to be the center of your screen, you can change the X-axis. And once you're done with that, you're going to deliver it like a normal DaVinci video. Now for the YouTube section, this is a little different because YouTube Shorts work a little different. You're just going to upload it as a normal video. And once it's done rendering, there should be a link here. If it says youtube.com/shorts, then you're good. If not, then maybe the resolution's wrong. Maybe you changed something on accident. Just go back and look at the timeline settings. Other than that, like and subscribe and have a good one.